Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Andeman Cordless Pressure Washer. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this out of the box, nice little carrying case for this. And obviously a lot to this. So we've got our hose here, which is going to allow me to connect, as you can see, if I'm doing any car wash work or anything like that. You got your front nozzle here with a variety of different sprays. So I'm not sure if that, yep, it's going to twist, which is a really nice feature alone because a lot of these things make you pop on a new nozzle every 6 seconds. This is going to be kind of a thing to hold some soap in and whatnot, and that'll just kind of click into place. And if we're doing a car wash thing again, we got a couple different batteries here. 21 volt 3.0 AH will need to be charged. Looks like I got a charging cable right here. We'll go ahead and start getting those charged up. Simply just plugging in and charge from there. So we'll go ahead and get those charged up in a few minutes. As you can see, this will give me kind of degrees, 0, 10, looks like 110, so maybe I'm reading that wrong. Sorry, number 3, number 4, 40, different types of spray. That's like a shower spray. This is the cord to go into the bottom of the hose there. And of course, read your instruction manual to understand exactly how all this works. By the way, I don't want to, I know I'm going to breeze through some parts of this that are going to be, the optional installs. I'm really not going to be utilizing any of those. I'm just going to be showcasing the ability to kind of spray this, connect it to a hose and spray right from the go. But I kind of want to show you. We got our trigger. We'll obviously have our battery go into the bottom here. And already we've got juice, and that actually just shot out some water. So, I don't know what the heck that's all about. And this will insert in and twist, most likely. Yep. And so we're loaded as a gun, and then we'll just need to find a way to load it with a hose, which will be one of these nozzles here. Again, read your instructions, make sure you know how this all works together, and we'll go ahead and do that to get it connected. And it looks like this one might go on to either of the above there. So nope, that's going to be the one. So that should, well, again, read your instructions for connections to make sure that we're doing everything properly. And we'll take it from there. All right, so just so I don't come off as too confusing, I showed you these two adapters, or nozzles. I'm going to unscrew this one and replace it with this one, because this will simply connect me to directly to a regular hose, US based hose. So that hose extension will go in there. This piece, please note that it kind of shrinks down. We'll click right into here and click. And to remove, we'll just go like that by pulling down. So again, in, click, and then we'll connect our hose there. And we should have juice. Make sure you're powered up, all that stuff. But we're going to go ahead and take this outside and demonstrate it. But again, make sure you charge up your batteries. I don't see any kind of identifying thing that says we've got full battery, low battery, or anything like that. So just be aware of that. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate this with a little bit of a different connection, just to be clear. So I wanted to have my hose directly to this and So I used a third-party connection, just so you know, but you can use the tools that are in there. This just allows it a lot faster for me to kind of turn the water on and off, because I can kind of crank it right there. But I do want to show you now kind of how this thing is starting, and we're going to just hit that button because, again, there's no other connections. And we've got that. So let me just pause here. So to clarify, I had it upside down. So you want this piece down, just to clarify. So you'll have that kind of kicking in, and that makes more sense at the 0%. And our 40 is your more traditional kind of get down and clean stuff. So to me, this thing is awesome because, again, it's kind of just going to clean some stuff, some dirt away. To have a handheld that can kind of clean my driveway and get rid of some stuff is awesome. So I love this ability to kind of not have to attach. All I need is a hose extension, so I can get out of my yard very far away from any kind of electric and not have to double up with an electric extension cord. And of course, I can wash cars and stuff like that with this stuff. So it's not too brutal, but it allows me to kind of get the gunk, kind of the bugs off the front of the car. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.